Hello students, welcome to Robotics Era. In this tutorial, we will learn about a very small device which is called as a piezo buzzer. Piezo buzzer are simple devices that can generate basic beeps and tones. They work by using a piezo crystal, a special material that changes a shape when voltage is applied to it. If a crystal pushes against the diaphragm inside this box, like a tiny speaker cone, it can generate a pressure wave which the human ear pick up as a sound. Basically, some pressure is applied inside a diaphragm because of the voltage, and that voltage creates a sound. Okay, different speakers or different beepers, or you can say different buzzers, are having different sounds as per the pressure applied to them and the materials used. Now, as the LED, this is also a polar device. You can see one leg is bigger and one is smaller. So bigger leg is positive and smaller leg is negative. But if you see closely the top of the buzzer, you will see there is a plus sign over here. The plus sign sides leg is a positive in case you will find both the legs as equal. If you are having some different kind of buzzer, they may have different colors wires. Red wire is a positive and black wire will be a negative. So I am going to test it and tell you how it beeps. I am going to put this buzzer on the breadboard like this, and then going to connect the positive and negative terminals. See, you have to be clear where you have to put positive and negative. So this side is positive and this side is negative. So I have to take the positive from the positive terminal of the breadboard and negative to the negative. I am going to connect the positive with the positive and negative with the negative. This is my negative terminal. I am going to take the negative from here. And as soon as I touch the negative terminal, you will see a beeping sound. Okay, this kind of sound is produced with this piezo buzzer. I hope you understood the working of this piezo buzzer. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.